American wheat fields supply strong flour for resilient instant noodle strands. The heads are filling evenly across this section. Healthy wheat heads develop through balanced sunlight, moisture, and fertile soil.
Kernel development looks strong in this row.
Experienced growers inspect wheat closely before deciding the ideal harvest date.
This section should be ready tomorrow morning.
Mature kernels harden gradually, creating flour suited for industrial noodle production.
This hardness level will support strong dough.
Weather monitoring helps farmers protect every acre from sudden crop damage.
We should complete harvest before that front arrives.
Each wheat kernel contains starch and protein essential for noodle structure. This internal structure is uniform and well-developed. Close inspection reveals grain color, hardness, and moisture before processing begins.
Remove this damaged kernel from the final sample.
Uniform kernels produce smoother dough and more consistent noodle texture later. These kernels match within the required range. Moisture content determines how safely grain can travel and remain stable.
Record that reading under the approved range.
Clean grain surfaces reduce contamination risks before milling and flour production. Keep the airflow low enough to retain every kernel.
Multiple wheat varieties are blended to balance strength, color, and flavor.
This combination should provide the most balanced flour. Veteran operators guide harvesters carefully through rows of fully ripened wheat. Hold that line and enter slowly.
Rotating headers cut and gather wheat while minimizing valuable grain losses.
Header height is stable across this pass.
Inside the combine, threshing drums separate kernels from dry plant material. The concave releases grain while carrying straw rearward. Freshly harvested wheat pours into carts for protected field transportation immediately.
Flow looks centered. Maintain this speed.
Careful collection preserves kernel quality before trucks carry grain toward milling.
Stop there. We are ready to receive this load.
Field crews sort harvested wheat before it enters protected transport systems.
Send this clean portion to the approved bin.
Portable screens remove remaining straw, stones, and damaged kernels efficiently.
Increase airflow slightly, but keep the good grain. Every collection lot receives identification for complete farm-to-factory traceability records.
Lot 21A is registered and matched.
Moisture checks confirm harvested grain remains stable during temporary field storage. This load is safely within the storage range. Covered bins protect clean wheat from rain, dust, and contamination.
Seal this bin until the transport trailer arrives.
Hydraulic conveyors transfer wheat gently while minimizing breakage and unnecessary loss. Maintain this speed to protect the kernels. Experienced operators balance trailer loads for safer movement across uneven farmland.
Move distribution forward until both readings match.
Sealed truck compartments keep wheat dry throughout the loading operation. Level is correct. Close and secure the compartment. Final load samples verify quality before each truck leaves the farm.
This sample matches the registered field lot.
Drivers secure every hatch and inspect safety equipment before departure. All seals and emergency equipment are confirmed.
Loaded trucks follow designated routes toward the regional noodle flour mill.
Convoy clear. Maintain the scheduled route.
Dispatch teams track every shipment using live route and temperature data.
Truck 14 remains on schedule for receiving Bay 3.
Drivers inspect protective seals during scheduled stops along the delivery route. Every seal matches the departure record.
Stop there and hold position for the reading.
Certified scales record each truck's gross weight for accurate inventory control.
Sampling probes collect grain from multiple depths for representative quality testing.
Collect front, center, and rear depths for accuracy.
Inspectors examine color, odor, moisture, and contaminants before accepting shipments. No abnormal odor or foreign material is present. Proved wheat moves into enclosed pits for controlled initial factory handling.
Bay 2 is aligned and ready for unloading.
Incoming wheat passes through powerful magnets that capture hidden metal fragments.
Metal capture confirmed. Keep the line moving.
Air separators remove lightweight husks while preserving every valuable wheat kernel.
Air pressure is separating the husks cleanly. Precision sieves classify kernels by size before deeper cleaning begin. The milling grade stream is running evenly. Rotating stone separators protect milling equipment from dense field debris.
Stone discharge is clear and fully separated.
Final optical sorting rejects discolored kernels before flour production starts.
Defect removal remains below the allowed threshold. Conditioning water softens bran while preparing endosperm for efficient milling. Moisture addition is holding at the target level.
Resting bins distribute moisture evenly throughout each conditioned wheat batch.
This batch has completed the full tempering period. Roller mills gradually separate flour from bran without overheating kernels.
The roller gap is producing a clean first break.
Repeated sifting creates fine flour with tightly controlled particle size.
This fraction has the smooth texture we need.
Blended flour batches provide consistent protein strength for noodle dough.
Release this blend to the noodle mixing department.
Automated feeders measure flour precisely before dough mixing begins inside. Batch weight confirmed? Begin the ingredient transfer. Salt and alkaline solution create noodles with firmness and color.
The solution matches today's approved noodle recipe.
Industrial mixers combine ingredients into evenly hydrated, crumbly dough particles.
Hydration looks even across the entire batch.
Vacuum mixing removes trapped air and strengthens the developing dough.
Vacuum remains stable with no seal leakage. Resting conveyors allow moisture to spread uniformly through mixed dough. Resting time is complete. Texture is now balanced. Heavy rollers compress loose dough into strong, continuous sheets smoothly.
The first sheet is forming across full width.
Successive rolling stages reduce thickness while aligning the gluten network.
Thickness and elasticity remain consistent through every pass.
Precision gauges monitor sheet thickness across the entire production width.
Thickness is uniform from edge to edge.
Slitting blades cut dough sheets into hundreds of uniform strands. Strand width is stable across the cutter. Waving conveyors shape straight strands into instant noodle curls uniformly. Curl spacing is consistent across the full sheet.
Steam cooks the noodle strands, setting their shape and elastic texture.
Pressure is stable across the full steaming zone.
Saturated steam penetrates each curl evenly without washing away structure.
The center strands are cooking as evenly as the edges.
Continuous steaming transforms raw dough into fully gelatinized noodle strands.
All 3 heating zones are following the approved profile.
Controlled moisture prevents sticking while maintaining consistent noodle firmness throughout. Moisture balance is holding within the required range. Rotary cutters divide steamed noodle sheets into precisely measured portions.
Cut length matches the programmed block weight.
Folding mechanisms arrange each noodle portion into compact, uniform blocks. Fold position is centered and ready for basket loading.
Molded baskets hold noodle blocks securely during high-temperature frying operations.
Every block is seated below the basket edge.
Hot oil rapidly removes moisture and creates porous noodle structure. Temperature remains stable across the immersion zone.
Frying temperatures remain tightly controlled for uniform color and texture.
All heating zones are matching the approved profile.
Continuous filtration removes crumbs and protects frying oil quality daily. The return oil is clear and circulating normally. De-oiling conveyors drain excess surface oil from freshly fried blocks.
Drain time is complete before block transfer.
High-speed air knives remove residual oil before cooling begin downstream.
Air pressure is balanced across every nozzle.
Cooling tunnels stabilize noodle blocks and reduce internal heat quickly.
Product temperature is dropping evenly through Zone 1.
Controlled airflow prevents condensation that could soften crisp noodle blocks.
Dew point remains safely below the product temperature.
One damaged edge has been routed for review.
Vision systems verify block shape, color, and structural integrity continuously.
Hot air drying offers a lower oil alternative for selected noodle products.
Begin the approved non-fried drying profile.
Multi-zone dryers remove moisture gradually without cracking delicate noodle curls. Moisture is falling steadily without surface cracking.
Moisture sensors confirm every dried block reaches safe storage stability. Inline and reference moisture results are matching. Seasoning kitchens blend spices, oils, and flavors under controlled conditions.
All ingredients match the approved formula and batch record.
Stabilized noodles exit processing, ready for inspection and refinement stages. Both product lines are released for final quality inspection. Spacing is even across both product lanes.
Final conditioning aligns noodle blocks before detailed quality inspection begins.
Gentle vibration removes loose crumbs without damaging finished noodle blocks. Only loose fragments are being removed from the line. Filtered air clears fine particles from every finished noodle surface. Surface airflow remains gentle and evenly distributed.
Orientation belts position every block correctly for automated inspection systems.
All leading edges now face the inspection cameras.
Completed batches receive formal release before entering quality control operations.
Batch records are complete and ready for inspection.
Veteran inspectors examine each block for visible defects and contamination.
Color and curl structure meet the visual standard.
Curl integrity ensures noodles rehydrate evenly without breaking during preparation. The internal curl network remains open and connected.
Dimensional checks confirm every block fits standardized packaging equipment precisely.
Length, width, and height are all within tolerance.
Check weighers verify consistent portions and divert blocks outside approved limits.
The verification sample was rejected exactly as programmed.
Metal detectors protect consumers by identifying tiny hidden metallic contaminants.
Ferrous test detected and reject mechanism confirmed.
X-ray systems reveal dense contaminants invisible during ordinary surface inspection.
Glass verification detected. Shielding and rejection are functioning.
Trained inspectors confirm finished noodles retain a clean, neutral aroma.
No stale oil or unusual grain odor is present.
Durability testing predicts how blocks withstand conveyors, packing, and transportation. The block remained intact with minimal handling loss.
Standardized cooking tests measure rehydration speed and final noodle performance. Start timing immediately after the water reaches the fill line.
Cooked strands are tested for firmness, elasticity, and separation quality. The strands remain firm, elastic, and cleanly separated.
Laboratory moisture analysis verifies shelf stability with highly precise measurements.
Record the initial weight before beginning the drying method.
Oil analysis confirms fried noodles remain within established formulation limits. Measured oil content matches the approved product formula.
Microbiological testing confirms hygienic processing and safe finished product conditions.
Prepare every dilution using the sterile batch procedure.
Allergen verification ensures formulas and package declarations remain completely accurate. The laboratory result matches the approved ingredient declaration. Complete laboratory results authorize approved noodle batches for packaging operations.
All results pass. Release this batch to packaging.
Final laboratory approval triggers controlled release into the packaging preparation area.
Batch release is confirmed for packaging line 2.
Packaging technicians sanitize contact surfaces before approved noodles enter production. All product contact surfaces are clean and released. Operators verify film, seasoning, and carton codes against approved specifications.
All component codes match today's production schedule.
Automated feeders stage noodle blocks and seasoning components for continuous packaging. Every component feeder is loaded and synchronized. Controlled staging protects approved noodles while packaging equipment reaches operating conditions.
Startup checks are complete. Introduce product at low speed.
Servo conveyors place each noodle block accurately into formed package pockets.
Product position is centered inside every pocket. Film rolls unwind under constant tension for smooth, reliable package formation.
Registration and film tension are both stable.
Forming collars wrap printed film precisely around every moving noodle block.
Film is folding cleanly without edge wrinkles.
Seasoning packets are counted and inserted beside each approved noodle block.
One seasoning packet is confirmed in every package. Liquid seasoning sachets receive separate inspection before entering multi-pack packages.
Fill level and seal integrity meet specification.
Automatic sensors confirm every package contains all required meal components.
Incomplete test package rejected before sealing.
Check weighers verify combined product weight before packages reach sealing stations.
The overweight test pack was correctly rejected. Heated sealing jaws create airtight seams that protect noodle freshness.
Longitudinal seam remains centered and fully bonded.
Cooling bars stabilize fresh seals before packages accelerate downstream safely.
End seals are flat, centered, and fully stabilized.
Date coders print clear production and expiration information on every package. Code contrast and position are clear and readable. Barcode scanners confirm printed product codes match the scheduled recipe. Product and batch codes match the packaging schedule. Carton erectors form sturdy boxes for organized high-speed case packing. Carton shape and printed code are both correct. Carton sealers close loaded cases securely for warehouse handling and transport.
Top seam is centered and fully sealed.
Vision systems verify case labels, codes, and sealing quality automatically. Misaligned verification label detected and removed.
Robotic palletizers stack cartons into stable, transport-ready, consistent load patterns.
Layer alignment is square across all 4 corners.
Stretch wrapping protects palletized cartons from movement, dust, and moisture. Wrap tension is firm without crushing the cartons.
Completed pallets receive final identification before entering finished goods storage areas. Pallet identity and case quantity are confirmed. Warehouse scanners assign each pallet a precise digital storage location. Assign this pallet to aisle Fortin, level 3.
Automated vehicles move finished pallets safely through marked warehouse aisles.
Route is clear to the assigned storage position. Climate monitoring protects packaged noodles from heat, humidity, and condensation. Position confirmed. Retract forks and clear the aisle.
Retained samples preserve traceability for every finished production-released batch.
Load remains stable with no carton damage.
Order management systems select pallets for specific customer shipments daily. Retained samples are complete for this released batch.
Shipping teams verify orders, destinations, and carrier documentation before loading.
Destination and case quantity match the customer order.
Dock crews inspect trailers before loading finished noodle shipments securely.
Trailer is clean, dry, and ready for food products.
Load planners distribute pallet weight evenly across each trailer floor. Place the heavier load forward and centered.
Security seals protect outbound trailers after final shipping verification checks.
Seal number recorded, shipment is released for departure.
Distribution centers receive, scan, and sort noodle shipments efficiently daily.
Shipment secure. Estimated arrival remains on schedule.
Finished noodles reach store shelves ready for convenient everyday meals. Delivery count matches. These are ready for stocking.